Hello everyone, how are you guys today? I am so excited because we're gonna unbox my Ipsy packages for November and December. So I am so excited to see what's inside. So let's get into it. Let's see what we have about all these goodies in here. So yay! Let's get unboxing and let's see what we have in here. So this big one is the November one, and this is supposed to be the icon box, because you get icon boxes. I think in November you get icon box. So let's see what we've got in here. Okay. Woo. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is what we've got in the box. That's it. So I'm gonna show y'all. So we have this beautiful bronzer, blush, and highlighter pro palette from Little Maquillage. I really like this brand. I do have foundation from them. I have concealer. I've also got some stuff from them, and the brand is really, really good. And what I really like most about this brand is just the quality they give you, you know? Like, look at this, let's see. Like, can you see that? Can you just see how beautiful that is? Oh, I cannot wait to try this. And the packaging is just beautiful. So yeah, this is number one. And then I have this cleanser, this vitamin C cleanser from Morat. I hope I am saying this correctly. Let's see how this looks. And it's a big size too. I've had some also, I think, night cream from them. And oh yeah, I'm excited to try this. Super nice, looking so sleek. And we've got the Repair Daily Cleanser from Demerd. I'm not sure what this brand is called. What is this brand? If you know, let me know. But we got this cleanser that I cannot wait to try. And what else we've got? Oh, we got something from Chorus. I love Chorus. We do have Chorus in Greece, and they have amazing lip gloss, lipsticks. So yeah, this is a brand that I actually know that I've used, and this is what? It's a clay BHA plus AHAS. We're gonna try this. I am excited. And what else? Ooh, we have a purifying apple cider toning mist. I love me a good mist. So, and I have a cleanser from this brand, Derma Lactives. So I am excited to try this from them. And those are big sizes, by the way. So you're getting a good quality for your money. So What else do we have? Ooh, we have a collagen boosting serum. Let's see what this is looking like. Ooh. Oh man, these nails will not let me shine. Okay, so this one is looking like this. So yeah, a good serum. What else? Oh, I have this. I think this setting powder. It's an extra. Like whenever you order something from Ipsy, like I think for the icon box, you get I think 6 products, and then you can buy extra stuff. Like you can add additional, and then you pay like, you know, for those things, which is really nice, but they will come with your box. So I got this setting powder, Angel's Face, TYS Beauty, and it's looking like this, and this is in shade Halo. There we go. I don't know, I have never used this brand before, so I have to try this and see. Also, this one, this is Green Glow Up Cream. So this is a face cream, I believe, but I don't know this brand, but it's called Tovigan. I don't know. Don't shoot the messenger. I don't know this brand, but this is like how Ipsy is. So you get to like try out new products, new brands, and you know, it's exciting to just try new stuff. I got this eye cream from this brand, Dr. Babble. Okay, so it's just looking like that. So we're gonna try this, and we can come back and let you know how those are. Ooh, I have something from Havant. Is it Havant? And this is for for your lash and brows. So yeah, this is something that I got as add-on. Yeah, that's the correct word, add-on for my package. So I want to try this, you know, for my lashes and my brows, so that they're getting all the goodies that it should be. So yeah, and I got this also as a add-on. That's a lip cream from, let's see, which brand is this? It's LYS Beauty, from the same brand as before. Where is that? Yeah, from the same brand, TYS Beauty. So I got this lipstick from them in Sincere, in shade Sincere. I don't know, but this is what it's looking like. That's it. I think this is a really nice, gorgeous color, and just look at it close to me. It's gonna be really, it's gonna look good on me. And then I just got these two Unisexy Skin Elixir Plump Glow Sculpt. I just got two as a add-on. I just want to try this. Let's show you how this is. Maybe you can see that. Ooh. So that's what we've got in the November icon box. So I'm excited for the December box, December one, and this is just the BoxyCharm, and it's just a regular size. And I believe this one is, actually I need to check. So I got it. So for my Ipsy subscription, so in February, May, August, and November, I will get like the box for the icon box. And the icon box, usually like my November one, I'll tell you what I like, how many items are inside. You'll get like 8 stuff inside the box, but 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of the items will be chosen for you, like automatically. Then you get to pick something by yourself that you want. So 1, 2, 3, you get to pick like 3 other products to complete the 8 items. Does that make sense? Let me know. And then you get the option to put the add-ons. So the add-ons is like the extra if you want to, like if you find any other stuff in the store that they put like as available as add-ons, and you can just go in there and then you can add more. So like what I would do if I have tried a product from before and I found it in the add-ons, it's usually really cheap to get it from the add-ons. So I just like add it because I've already used it and I liked it, so I want more, and then I'll just add it from the add-on, and it will come with my icon package or your BoxyCharm package, whichever one. You get add-ons every month. So moving on to my December package, this is it. So now let's see what we've got inside. Cool. Okay, so that is looking like this, and you just have like this stuff in there, and then the first stop, it is this vitamin C fix tonic. I have used Nip Plus Fab, their cleanser. They're really, really good. And yeah, this is a cleanser. So I am excited to try this because I really like this brand. And also Ipsy. Why do I feel like I had this before? But let's see. Papaya scrub. So it's a face scrub. I like the packaging. The packaging is really, really nice. Look. And it's just like that. And yeah, this is a brighten and renewal. So and we have here Triple Action Collagen Moisturizer. I have a cleanser for this actually, so it would be really a really nice combo. So I think that's why I chose this actually, because I have the cleanser. And I am so excited about this. I am so excited. So, One Size Beauty. I love One Size. Oh, and I have been waiting so long for this setting powder. And I chose the Ultra Pink for this. And it's just, the packaging is just really nice and just chic and just looking like this. Let's see if it smells good. I cannot smell anything, so let's see. I think probably it has something here. Oh, that definitely does. Let me smell it. Let's see. This, I don't know. I don't think there's a scent to it, but it's either way. I'm excited to try this. And it just came in this cute One Size package. And this one came in the the one that's chosen for me. I didn't choose this, but this is a gold fondant MD, and this is like a eye cream, energetic eye cream, and it just came in this little container, small but mighty. I would say that anything that comes in a small package. And there we go. So yeah, I cannot wait to try this one also. And this one is a add-on that I had added. I've tried this and I swear by it. Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and it's anti-wrinkle hydrating day cream. Okay, so sorry, I use it in the mornings. And you can see I got me 2 more because I was running out, because it's really, really good. So y'all should try Elemis. And Glow Wish. I think this is an add-on too by Huda Beauty. I love Huda Beauty. And actually I was excited to use this One Size setting powder because of Huda Beauty inspired setting powders. They're just so really, really nice. So let's see, I got this in 11 deep, and let's see. Oh, come on. Oh, nails killing me. Oh, and this is a pressed powder. Okay, the thing is with Ipsy, you can put your shade and everything. You don't necessarily get a lot of makeups, but in the add-ons you'll get maybe some foundation. I have not gotten my shade because every time I get foundation I just got a wrong shade for me. But this powder, can you see this? It kind of exactly like my skin tone. So I am excited to use this pressed powder by Huda Beauty. Excited. So yeah, Glow Wish, go. And what is it? Tat. Ooh, I am so excited about this blush from Tat. And look at how like small but mighty again, but the pigment on this, like, can you see? Tell me this is not gonna eat. It's gonna eat so well on my skin. Like, oh, I'm about to blind the people with my blush. So I am excited to use this. And then I got Luna Beauty, and this is a liquid blush also, because I'm a blush girly, if you cannot tell. Can you tell? Blushing. Come on, let's see. My nails are killing me. I love my nails, but come on, when it comes to opening packages, you don't help me. Oh, all right, this one came out. Yes. Why does this look like a lipstick? But look at that. Oh, I cannot wait. Ooh, it is a pink. Come on, focus. Yes. And this is in shade. What shade is this? I don't know. Fuchsia? Bruh, I don't know what this name is. And the last but not the least, I got me a pimple patch. Because when the time of the month, all my friends, they just pop up like nobody's business. And this will help me with the dark spots. So how many are there in there? Okay, 3 for the bet. So let's see. We have 3. Let's see how it looks. Oh, man. Oh, okay, alright. These are like, but I mean, it makes sense, like Christmas and stuff, because this is my December package. But, who cares? So for the dark spots, gone. So we'll be fine. So yeah, I got me 2 of those, and that is it. But that's not it, because my best friend sent me something from America, and from One Size Beauty, I have been really dying to try their setting spray, but I've just not been able to get it in Greece, and like I'm so scared to get it, like to ship it, because then if it's I think it's not something that I can ship to Greece, because then the custom might take it and I will never get my package. So my best friend brother came in December. Shout out Andrew, I love you. And see what he got me. And he got me this. Oh, like I'm about to say, my face to the gods. Like, it's not gonna move. This summer heat, like, I'm so excited. Can you see this? And I've been like, and it's so funny because I had just had it in my mind, and I totally forgot to tell him, like, hey, can you like get me something? And then his girlfriend got me this. So shout out Priya. Hey girl, I really appreciate this. You're amazing. And then my best friend got me Fenty blush because she knows I'm a blush girly. So she got me a blush. So thanks, Angel. I love you. You're the best. Let's see though. Let's see. Oh, this looks so good. Look at that. That is gorgeous. So yeah, I cannot wait to try this blush from Fenty Beauty. And this is called Lollipoppy. And then they sent me something from Priya got me also. So Priya got me this and this. And this is from Rare Beauty. So hey Selena girl. Come on. I hate like destroying the packaging. In my nails. Okay, I figure it out. This is so beautiful. This is gorgeous. This is just sleek. Like, can y'all see that? Ooh, okay. That is just beautiful. That is gorgeous. I would definitely use all of this, and I am excited for this though. This gonna eat also, like literally everything. So yeah, thank you Priya, and thank you Angel, and Andrew, thank you. I am so excited and I cannot wait to try all of this. And I'm gonna also, it's like, who knew? I have now, now I have my one size setting powder, and I have my one size setting spray. You cannot tell me nothing. See, so I hope you guys enjoy my video, and I cannot wait to show y'all what I would have in my January box. And let me know if you want to know like the process on how I get my box to get to Greece. I'll be happy to do a video about that to let y'all know. Maybe if you want to snag yourself Ipsy box every month, I think it's a really cool idea just for you to try new products and just take care of yourself and, you know, choose you. Like, I feel like this is one thing that I do for myself every month, and I really look forward to all of these products and just try them out. I mean, it's not like I keep everything all the time, so who knows, maybe soon I can probably do some giveaway from all of this products that I have, because I really cannot use them all. So what y'all think? Comment below and let me know which one is your favorite, and do not shoot me and don't kill me if I didn't pronounce the names properly, because like I don't know the names, or like the names are just weird. But I am so excited. So you guys, don't be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe also to my channel. And I will catch you all in my next video. Bye.